And one's picking on Jeff's face.
Can someone hand me my goggles? I feel like this is one of those jobs.
Where are your goggles?
Ow!
Is it camcordering?
Yes.
Oh my god.
No, it just crawled right up Jeff's arm and...
What the...
Jeff, do you need help? Do you need an adult?
bird keeps on picking my eye.
Do you
But
need
no,
an
no,
adult?
don't. Wait, we don't want to peck Jeff's eye.
Where are your goggles?
Don't peck his eye. Where are the
Jeff, where are your
goggles?
goggles?
Over on my hat. What the hell? I just... Hey. What? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Gotta do something funny.
I don't like this. Thank you.
Where'd the duck go? Oh,
Oh, don't put him up there.
Don't
let him do it. by
Let
themselves.
them do it
Half
by
flag.
themselves. You just put the...
Just-
That bird does not sound happy. Just don't. Crap.
there you go.
There you go.
The birds have to get on my shoulders. Going through there.
But it looks fun.
Put your hand down, Jeff.
Is it fun? It looks fun. My friends are up there. Can I go up? I think I am.
Is there room?
No, girls, if you really want to make it look like Chicken Run or something, just do it so.
What?
You know, Chicken Run from Nick Park's animation.
Put your arm up.
Are they pecking your head or what?
Yeah.
That should feel good though. Oh, she's gonna jump.
Jeff, you're king of the hill now. No.
What was that? That was me.
No. This is not going to end well.
I think we should rename these birds. These in particular.
Here it goes. Oh, no. There it goes.
What were you saying about raptors? Let's name them, shall we? The last four are surviving chickens.
Alpha. Wait,
Delta.
Delta.
Goldilocks.
And Charlie. Ooh, Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Yep. No one's ever gonna believe us with this.
Jeff, you don't look
Well,
comfortable.
Mom recorded it.
I know. That one's at home right now. It's like, I'm just gonna lay on this guy. Little Miss Goldilocks.
I think we have tame chickens.
Ow.
You okay?
Ah!
Oh, jeez.
Did she fall?
She slipped.
Here, do you want to take this, Dad? Or
I got it, sweetheart.
Jamie's never gonna let this down. Don't put her back up there. Don't put her back up there. Put it right here.
I played this cheeky.
There's a spot right here for you.
No.
She's aiming for
I'm
it.
tired.
Ah, they're warm. My goggles are there. Kindly set her down. Okay.
All right, Jeff, let me.
Off.
Goldilocks is at home. I don't think you're gonna get Goldie off.
Which one's on top of my head?
One of the
No,
red.
no.
That's one. I think.
Yeah.
That is not food.
That's plastic.
I think the other two are at home.
What's the matter, chicken? Chicken?
There's.
I think that one chicken just
Did he just shit on me?
no on the one of them on top of the coop.
All right. Are we ready?
Yeah, we gotta get this stuff.